Hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is another video in calculus, particularly in evaluating slope of tangent to curves at a specific point. So there are 6 or 7 exercises here. So from these problems are taken from Love and Rainville's book, page 55. So these are problems 29 to 37. So find the slope of the curve at a given point. 29, quantity x plus 2y squared equals x plus 10 at the point negative 1, comma 2. So by power formula, 2 times quantity x plus 2y raised to 1, and derivative of x plus 2y is quantity 1 plus 2y prime, and equals derivative of x plus 10 is derivative of x1. Of course, derivative of 10, 0. So substituting values, so we have 2 quantity x negative 1 plus 2 times y, which is 2, close, times quantity 1 plus 2y prime. I replace y prime by n, which is the slope of the tangent to the curve, equals 1. Then we write this as because this is 2 times 3, so 6. So 1 plus 2m equals 1 over 6. This is 6. So 2m equals 1, 6 minus 1 is negative 5, 6. Therefore, slope is negative 5 over 12. So that's the slope for problem 29. 30, quantity 3x minus y square equals 6x plus 2y plus 23 at the point 1, comma negative 2. So we have power formula again, 2 quantity 3x minus y raised to 1. Derivative of 3x minus y is 3 minus y prime. Then equals derivative of 6x is 6. Derivative of 2y is 2y prime. Derivative of 23, 0. So substituting the value of x and y and replacing replacing y prime with m. So we have 2 quantity 3 times 1, x is 1 minus negative 2 for y, then close, times quantity 3 minus n, then close, equals 6 plus 2m. So this is 3 plus 2, 5 times 2, 10. So 10, quantity 3 minus m equals 6 plus 2m. Distribute. So we have 30 minus 10m equals 6 plus 2m. So 30 minus 6 is 24, and 2m plus 10m is 12m. 24 over 12, so m is 2. Problem 31. We have x quantity x squared minus y squared close equals 3 at the point negative 1, comma 2. So at first I distribute. So we have x cubed minus x y squared equals 3. Derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Then minus, this is product quantity. First x, derivative of y squared 2y y prime, plus second y squared, derivative of x is 1. Then equals derivative of 3, 0. So simplifying, we have 3x squared minus 2xy y prime minus y squared equals 0. Substituting the value of x and y and replacing y prime by m. So we have 3 times negative 1 squared minus 2 times negative 1 times y, 2 times y prime m minus 2 squared equals 0. So we have 3. This is positive 4m. Then minus 4 equals 0. So 4m equals 4 minus 3, 1. 4m equals 1, so m is 1/4. 32, we have y quantity 3x minus y squared equals 10 at the point 3, comma 2. So I use derivative of product. So first y, derivative of quantity 3x minus y squared is 3 minus 2y y prime, plus second quantity 3x minus y square, then the derivative of y is y prime equate to 0. So substitute the value of x and y. X is 3, y is 2. So 2 quantity 3 minus 2 times 2 times y prime, which is m, plus quantity 3 times x, which is 3, minus 2 square m equals 0. So distribute, we have 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times negative 4m, negative 8m. This is 9 minus 4, which is 5m equals 0. So that 6 equals 3m, so m equals 6 over 3, m is 2, the slope is 2. Problem 33, we have y equals y times quantity 3x minus y squared close equals 16 at the point 4 comma 2. So we have to differentiate this by derivative of product. First y, derivative of second 3 minus 2y y prime, plus second quantity 3x minus y squared, derivative of y y prime equals 0. Substituting the values of x and y and replacing y prime by m. So we have 2 quantity 3 minus 2 times 2m close plus quantity 3 times x, which is 4, minus 2 square close m equals 0. So this is distribute 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times negative 4m is negative 8m. Then this is 12 minus 4, which is also 8 times m, so 8m equals 0. So 6 equals 8m minus 8m equals quantity 8 minus 8 times m, or 0m, 6 equals 0m. So m equals 6 over 0, and 6 over 0 is undefined, or undefined slope. 34, we have y squared equals b cubed over 2x plus b at the point 0 comma b. So y squared equals, I rewrite this as b cubed quantity 2x plus b raised to negative 1. So remember that b cubed is constant. So differentiating, we have 2y y prime equals negative 1 times b cubed, copy. Then quantity 2x plus b raised to negative 2, power formula, negative 1 minus 1 is 1, negative 2 times derivative of 2x plus b, which is 2. So we can cancel 2. So substitute the value of y, which is b times m equals negative b cubed over quantity 2x plus b square, and 2x 2 times 0 plus b quantity square is b square. So we have negative b cubed over b squared, negative b divided by b, so negative m, negative 1 rather. So bm equals negative b, so m is negative 1. Next, 35, y squared equals 2a cubed x over x squared plus a squared at a comma a. So differentiating 2y y prime equals derivative of quotient fraction denominator times derivative of numerator 2a cubed times 1, derivative of x is 1, minus numerator 2a cubed x, derivative of denominator is 2x all over denominator square. Substitute the value of x and y, so y is a, x is a, so a times y prime, which is m, equals quantity a square plus a square times a cube. We take note that we already canceled 2, then minus 2a cube times x square, where x square is simply a square, divided by quantity a square plus a square close square. So the numerator is 2a to the 5th minus 2a to the 5th, that's already 0. 0 divided by a divided by 2a square square, or 4a square. Anyway, the numerator is already 0, so the slope is 0. 36y cubed equals 2a x cubed over x plus a at the point a comma a. So differentiating, that's y cubed. So 3y squared y prime equals derivative of ratio denominator, derivative of numerator 6a x squared minus numerator 2a x cubed, derivative of denominator 1 all over denominator, which is x plus a square. So substituting the value of x and y, a. So 3a square n equals quantity a plus a times 6a, then a square minus 2a cubed divided by quantity a plus a square. So the numerator is 12a to the fifth minus 12a to the fourth minus 2a to the fourth, that's 10a to the fourth, divided by 2a square times 3a square, so that's 6a to the fourth. So again, simplifying, we have 3a square m. The numerator is 10a to the fourth. The denominator is 2a squared. Slope therefore is 10a to the fourth over 4a squared over 3a squared. That reduces to 10 over 12, which can further be reduced to 5 over 6. So slope is 5 over 6. Then finally, 37 y squared equals x cubed over 2a minus x at the point a comma a. So 2y y prime differentiating equals denominator 2a minus x, derivative of numerator 3x squared minus numerator x cubed, derivative of denominator negative 1 all over denominator squared, 2a minus x quantity squared. So substitute the value of x and y, 2y, so 2am. Then we have quantity 2a minus a times 3a squared plus a cubed or x cubed, so a cubed all over quantity 2a minus a squared. The numerator here is 3a cubed plus a cubed, so 4a cubed. The denominator here is a cubed, a square rather, times 2a square. So m is 4 a cubed divided by 2a cubed. So 2am is 4a cubed over a square. So m is 4a cubed over 2a cubed, and that is 2. Slope is 2. So that's it for this video.